If you're looking for a way to get healthier in 2022, here's a fun creative idea for you. So I want to show you today how to make chlorophyll ice cubes. This is all from Mary Ruth's. I'm a huge fan of their company. All you need is filtered water, the Mary Ruth's liquid chlorophyll, and then an ice cube silicone mold or tray, and then something nice for pouring. All you have to do is add 1 pump of the liquid chlorophyll into about 8 ounces of water, and then you stir it up and then pour it in the tray and then have it freeze for about 4 hours. So here's the 1 pump. Pour that in. This is the peppermint flavor. So it should taste really good in water. You can stir it on up. And then you just pour it in the mold tray. All right, here's my chlorophyll ice cube in water. I don't like the chlorophyll by itself. You could just put a drop in your mouth from the dropper, and I think it's too strong. And so having it diluted in water is perfect because the taste is great. It's peppermint, but also I love eating ice when I'm pregnant. So it's perfect.